Today I want to check out what's inside these cartridges. These ones have a button here. What do you think is going to be inside? Here we go. Holy! Hello everybody and welcome to another Rollin' Films, Rollin' 80s and 90s stuff. I've bought some of these Game Boy cartridges. As you can see, there are a couple of weird ones. These you probably recognize: Side Pocket and Tetris Attack, Motocross Madness and Tetris Blast. I needed these for the collection. But let's focus on these strange cartridges. Super 69 in 1, Super 32 in 1, Super 7 in 1. Only 7. And Super, oh no, this is just GB 220 in 1. New! And obviously these very big, strange cartridges. And these ones have a button here. What does this button do? So this is Dutch. This says the Game House for all your computers and computer games. Like Game Boy, Sega, Super Nintendo. We also deliver at home. Okay, so games delivered to your front door. Wow, what a great era to live in. The 90s, I guess, early 90s. Well, of course, these are fake Game Boy games. And today I want to check out what's inside these cartridges. So for reference, I'm gonna open this one, Motocross Maniacs. So let's go. So this is what a normal game should look like. Let's see what's in this one. The Super 2 in 1. This one has a normal Phillips screw. Phillips head. Here we go. It's a little different. Can you spot the difference? So this one has 7 in 1 cartridge, also Game Boy Color, and it's all in here. Let's take this game out. Never heard of it before. Okay, whee! The label has to go into. Let's see what it does. Oh, that's a little distorted. Sometimes it works when you just take it out and put it in again. Like now. 7 games indeed. So what do we have? So we have got Genbaruga, Dodge Boy, Kunio, Loops, Tennis, Pitman, and Hyankyo. I have to say I only know tennis. Let's check tennis out. Whoa. No sound in the menu. Okay, then starts up a whole new game. I grew up with this game. I know this game. This is just tennis. Here we go. Bam. No. Ah, he touched the net. Oops. Okay. Bam, bam, bam. Don't laugh at me. Bam. So 7 games, I only know 1 of them. Let's try out another one. Super 69 in 1. Alrighty. 2 blobs this time. And a slightly bigger board. Ooh. So I guess that means more games. Oh, see that? That says just another. Yeah, it made contact. Okay, let's see what's on this one. It's 69 in 1. Okay, Street Fighter, Power Ranger, Batman Forever, Aladdin, Jurassic Park, Jungle Book, Mickey Mouse 4, Mario Land, Alleyway, Kung Fu, Battle Tank, Flypool, Ranger, the movie, Batman, Super Eld, Speed Park. Whoa, this is like a game that you have to park your cars as fast as you can. Yun Monkey, Mouse, just Mouse, Super Mario, Block, Super Spot, Tank, Flip Loop, Karateka, Power Movie, Super Batman, Puzzle Aladdin, Fancy Park. Not Speed Park, but Fancy Park. Speed Jungle, Minnie Mouse, oh the names. Alley Slayer. Gotta check it out. Alleyway. Okay. This is just like Arkanoid. Here we go.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Let's see what else is on. Snake Tank. Sounds scary. Pipe Fighter. Sounds funny. Pit Ranger. These names. Cannon Aladdin. Park Story. Mickey. Mario Boy. And Mario Boy. Clax Block. Master. Go-Go Tank. Folly Jump. Speed Fighter. Trump Power. Ghost Batman. Jump Aladdin. Boink. Master Jurassic. Big Mouse. Speed Mario. Yeah. Arkanoid. Fighter. City Tank. Quick Flippool. Street Go. Mappy Power. Super Forever. I think it's Batman. Fiamme Aladdin. Jump Park. Jungle Move. Fancy Mouse. Run Mario. And we're back to one. Let's try out one that is, that I don't know, that is a stupid name. Yun Monkey. Licensed by Nintendo. Virgin presents. It's just Jungle Book. Get ready. This screen. So Yun Monkey, just Jungle Book. Let's check out this one. Whoa, check it out. This one has a real game bit screw. A 2-blob cartridge. Super 32 in 1. Ah, satisfying. 32 in 1. 1996. It says right there. Cool. We got a year. First one. Die Schlumpfe. The Netherlands, where I live, is next to Germany. So I know that this says Die Schlumpfe. The Smurfs. Super Mario Land. Dr. Mario. Bomb Jack. Bomberman. Dragon Slayer. What could this be? Dragon's Lair? Dragon Slayer. Game start. Phase 1. You can only walk one block at a time. What is this? I don't know what to do. I guess this is what they were playing when they were making Zelda. Because Zelda is based on this, I think. Let's see what else is on here. Nintendo. Migraine Acclaim. Headache. Colodice. Hong Kong. Tracery. Loops. Clacks. The Smurries. The Smurs. The Smurs. I think they meant the Smurfs. Mario Land. Flyjack. Dragon Legend. The Migraine. This. Do they mean the headache? The headache. Dice Game. 1997, Hong Kong. SP Tesserae, Golden Loops, Magic Clacks, Los Pitufos, Pitufos, Bomb Genius, World Slayer, well that's ambitious, Mr. Mario, and the other one we had Mario Boy, did we? SP Mario Land, Les Schtroumpfs, is that French? 1996 Migraine, what is this migraine stuff? I want to check it out. Acclaim presents Migraine, do I pronounce it wrong? Go, let's do easy. Migraine. SP Loops, SP Clacks, and the last two are SP Dice and SP Smurfs. This is Smurfs? Smurfs? Yeah, here. The Smurfs. So, that's this one. Super 32-in-1. These big ones. Check those out. What the hell? Why are they so big? And what is it hiding? I think something was glued on it. Why? First I want to know what the button does. What's the button for? Let's go with this one. What do you think is going to be inside? Yeah, it's going. Holy! Check it out. Whoa. That is one big ass. Whoa, how many games are on here? Maybe the whole GameBoy library. That's a lot of chips, man. So that's where the button goes. So this is a chip with Philips branding on it. Gold star. This is the button. It works just like it's a membrane. It's just a membrane button. Check it out. Those are sticking out really good. Okay. So that's the so it's a little deeper there just to house the pins. Let's see if it works. So this one goes right here. Yeah, we're in business. 68-in-1. Bukenjima, 2, Double Dragon, Contra, Snow Brothers, Ninja Turtles, Kunio, Dodgeball. Some pretty solid titles on here. Pretty cool. Let's try out Ninja Turtles. There you go. Is this Turtles 1? Whee! Yeah. Man. What's the button for? What does this do? Let's see. Okay. 1, 2, 3. It's a reset button. This is a reset button. Okay, so when you just want to skip the games, you don't have to constantly turn off the Game Boy. I guess it comes in handy when you cannot decide what game you want to play. Genius. Alright, you might have noticed that my Game Boy has some vertical line issues. I'm planning to do a video on that, on how to repair that. It should be a quite easy fix, just with a soldering iron and just reflowing some solder. I will record it and we can do it together. If you would like that, just push the like button. Next time, line repairing, and we're gonna have a look at the Pocket Game Boy Multi-Boy if you're interested. So let me know in the comments. So that's it for me. Have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one.